Welcome back to our channel, guys.
Episode 3.
Welcome back. Everybody should be out of school now, enjoying the summer, going to the beach, going to the mountains, whatever you want to do this summer.
Getting lots of red sun.
Yes, lots of. So, what's some of the things that you think about during summertime?
How hungry I am.
Yeah.
At least that's the theme of today's video is, what do you do when you're out and about and you want some food, but you don't want to go to the store, the restaurant, things like that. You want to go to the beach and enjoy the entire day at the beach, the pool, playing soccer, whatever it is that you want, and you're out and about. What do you do for snacks?
Maybe you do have time to bring snacks with you, but you're just kind of low on cash. I mean, I understand these college kids. It's rough.
Not just college kids.
Yeah, true.
Everybody needs money.
So, one of our favorite things to do is at the grocery store, they actually have this wonderful product. Here, you might need one too. We got two.
So at the grocery store, you can pick up these cool little snack packs. Sargento makes awesome pre-prepared snacks. They come with a meat, cheese. No, they don't. They come with cheese, nuts, and fruit on mine. And
Mine's got fruit and chocolate and cheese.
I like hers better. But if you don't have the money necessarily to pick up the prepackaged one, or you just want to get creative and make some of your own, and you may not like chocolate, which who doesn't like chocolate?
Or you may be allergic to nuts and you can't have these. These are prepackaged, so you can't pick and choose.
That's better. So if you want to customize them, or if you're allergic to nuts and you have to customize them, then we've got a solution for you. If you go to the store, you can pick up these, or maybe you have a container like this already at your house, which is great. They're about the same size, and they're perfect for making your own customizable snack. So thank you guys for joining us on how to make your own snack packs, whether you need to customize it for health reasons or you just want to get creative. We showed you a couple of things that we really like eating, so we put those in there. If you have any suggestions, make sure you put them in the comments. And as always, thank you guys for watching!
And subscribe below.